Up first this evening, a call for two anti-corruption agencies to probe the multi-million-dollar contract involving NESOL and Peak Energy Solutions.
The call was made by corruption watchdog National Integrity Action following revelations at Parliament's Public Administration Appropriations Committee. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has details.
National Energy Solutions Limited NESOL is again facing the heat after news emerged that it paid over $12 million to a company called Peak Energy Solutions without a written contract. It was to install solar-powered systems at community access points campsites which provide internet access. For corruption watchdog National Integrity Action, it's seemingly another chapter in the corruption scandal plaguing the Energy Ministry.
We, the citizens and NIA, must demand that the relevant authorities, in particular the Integrity Commission and the Major Organized Crime Anti-Corruption Agency, and other bodies treat as the number one priority the initiation and completion of investigations related to Petrojam, Universal Service Fund, NESOL, and most recently, this contract for Peak Energy Solutions Limited.
The head of Petrojam, the Universal Service Fund and NESOL have all resigned following allegations of corruption, nepotism and mismanagement. Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee will again ask the former bosses at those agencies to appear before the committee and answer questions. For Professor Trevor Monroe,
it is absolutely unacceptable that executives who appear culpable simply resign or retire with no sanctions whatsoever applied for apparent improper, inappropriate, or otherwise damaging conduct in respect of public funds. The principle of equality before the law requires that persons with connections and persons with status be brought as promptly to justice as the man in the street with neither connections nor status.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.